master grade RX-78 G3 Gundam. And there is one thing which immediately stood out to me as soon as I looked at the runners. The blue that they've decided to use on the runners for this specific kit is unreal. Basically the type of blue that I would paint my kits with, and I wish every kit used this. Let me show you a few examples and what I mean. So here I have this MGST Barbatos. It doesn't have too much blue on it. However, the blue that they did decide to use is this very navy, very contrasting blue. A lot of painted builds that I've seen always tend to go a shade lighter. Here's a few pre-mixed bottles that I tend to use when painting my own kits. Mr. Hobby Aqueous Gundam Aerial Blue. This is such a nice blue. It's definitely not on the purple side, however it's a lot lighter. It just looks so nice. I painted a few kits with this. Love this color. Let me show you another one. Now this is a bottle of Mr. Hobby from their mechanical set range. This color specifically is called Cobalt Azul. The annoying thing is that you can't buy this as standalone pots. You have to buy it in the set of the mechanical colors. This is actually the shade of blue that I used to paint the real grade Wing Zero. None of that harsh plasticky navy blue that we see on runners all the time. This is what I'm saying. Why can't Bandai just use this blue specifically to make all their blue colors and the runners? I don't really understand what goes into production and how it affects the colors and the pigments during manufacturing, but I personally would always go with something like this. Okay. So yeah, that's kind of been my little weird rant, not rant, I don't know what you want to call it, but let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.